Hello everyone, I would like to explain about how to make a video using PowerPoint instead of using Zoom. So for group assignment, I believe that PowerPoint is more powerful than Zoom recording for several reasons. First, with PowerPoint video, members can work at different times. So in Zoom, everyone must be online together. So yeah, it's easier to use PowerPoint because you can do your work at very different times. Yeah. Each person can record their own slide, and if there's a mistake, you can directly fix it only on that particular slide that you think need to be fixed. Yeah. While in Zoom recording, probably you have to start all over again. Yeah. So basically, less pressure because it is not live. Yeah. And also in Zoom recording, internet problems can affect the recording. Okay, so now I will tell you how to create a video from PowerPoint. So for example, in here, as you can see, I have three different slides. Let's say that the first slide is person 1, and then continue by person 2, and then person 3. So all these three people can record on their own convenient time. How to do so? Okay, I'll show you. So first you need to go to which slide you want to record, and then you can go to record, or probably in MacBook there are record button like this on the upper right. Yeah. So for that you can choose from current slide, because in here I already make two videos before. Yeah. So from current slide, for example, in here. So I will record starting from this slide. Yeah, this is actually slide number 3. Okay, so how to do so? First, you can click start recording, and if you need to show your face, you can click this part. So for example, like this. Yeah, and you can also choose how the layout will be later on, whether it is circle or rectangle. Yeah. Okay, let me start to explain this particular slide, for example. Okay, first we need to click start recording and wait for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, hello everybody, I'm person number 1. I would like to explain what is number. So number is starting from 1 to 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, the person number 1 in his own home or in own place, they have finished a recording, and then we can continue. The person number 2, for example, can record his own. Yeah, let's say that. Yeah, now this is what he wants to record. Okay. Okay, I'm person number 2. You can put the text around here as well. Yeah, I would like to explain trending number. So not everything needs deep precision. For example, 6 and 7 can be viral, even though it is pretty much meaningless. So thank you. I hope that worked. Okay, that's person number 2, and then and the last time, person number 3, in his own time as well, can record. Okay, so I'm person number 3. I would like to tell you about the conclusion. PowerPoint recording works well because each person can record on their own slide and their own time and their own place. Thank you. Okay, so once I finish, okay, you can click close. Yeah, in here. Okay, as you can see in here, and the bottom in the bottom right, there is a sound because the slide number 2 and number 3, yeah, I don't show my face. Yeah, while in here I'll show my face in here. Yeah, so let's say that you have done something wrong in the particular slide. Just click and delete this and re-record again on this only particular page. Yeah. So once you are done, then you can combine all of the slide. Yeah, let's say from 3 person number 1, 2, and 3. Let's say 1 person, the leader, will collect all of the file into correct order, and then after that you can once already combine, you can click export to video like this. Okay, export video. Okay, and you can specify where the file will be exported. Okay, once it's done, you can click exit and find a particular folder. Yeah, so for example in here, okay, I'll show you a little bit the result. Yeah, you should choose the second largest resolution, yeah, for the quality. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the example, yeah, because the first two slides I'm using in PowerPoint, while the last result I'm using Zoom because it would save more space for Zoom, yeah. Okay, I hope that helped. Thank you.